Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to get Baiken Vanguard Easy Guide. Start by checking the game calendar for banners and events that list Baiken Vanguard. Track event timers and required currencies. Complete daily missions and event challenges to earn banner pulls. Focus on saving premium currency rather than spending impulsively. Join community channels to catch drop rate updates and tips from veteran players to optimize your pull strategy. To farm efficiently, prioritize high-yield activities that reward banner currency and tickets. Schedule play sessions around event boosts and double drop windows whenever available. Focus on event stages that give the most currency per minute. Recycle excess items you do not need to free inventory space. Consider using experience and resource boosts only when they multiply event rewards, so you convert playtime into meaningful progress. Adopt a disciplined pulling strategy by setting a clear currency budget and tracking pity counters. Stagger pulls across banner milestones to exploit soft pity timing. Use single pulls when guarantees or increased odds are cited by the banner. Avoid impulse decisions after a near miss. Diversify some pulls for fun, but keep most resources reserved for the confirmed Baiken Vanguard banner to maximize your probability of success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.